What if I told you the biggest reason people don't travel internationally isn't money? It's a myth. A myth that international travel is only for people with huge salary, luxury lifestyle, or unlimited budgets. But here is something interesting. Every year, thousands of people spend 20 to 30,000 on random shopping, gadgets, weekend outings, and things they barely remember a month later. Yet, the idea of traveling to another country feels expensive. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can realistically plan an international trip under 20,000, where most people make costly mistakes, and the exact travel hacks that smart travelers use to save thousands. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will realize that your first international trip might be much closer than you think. Most people start their trip like this. I want to travel abroad next month. Then they search for flights, see high prices, and immediately give up. But experienced travelers think differently. They don't start with the destination. They start with a budget. Then they build everything around it. The truth is, international travel is a game of planning. The earlier you plan, the cheaper it becomes. The more flexible you are with dates, the more money you save. And the less obsessed you are with luxury, the more experiences you can afford. Because let's be honest, 5 years from now, you won't remember the thread count of your hotel bedsheet. But you'll definitely remember your first passport stamp. Let's make this practical. Suppose your total budget is 20,000. The first thing you need to focus on is flights, because flights usually take up the largest part of your travel budget. The second is accommodation. The third is local transport and food. Now here's the trick. Budget travelers don't try to spend less on experiences. They try to spend less on logistics. They stay in clean budget accommodation. They use public transport. They avoid tourist traps. And they spend their money where it actually matters. Experiences, views, food, culture, adventures, not fancy hotel lobbies. That's the mindset shift that changes everything. Now, here is something many travelers completely ignore. Finding a cheap flight is important, but avoiding expensive mistake is even more important. Imagine finding a great deal. You book it and suddenly your plans change. Now you're stuck with cancellation charges or losing money. That's why I always tell people to think about flexibility before booking. For example, when booking international flights on Paytm Travel, there are free cancellation options available starting at $499, which can be really useful if your plans are not fully confirmed. And if you're booking your first international flight through Paytm Travel, you can get benefits worth up to 4,000 with the code WELCOMEINT. A lot of people focus on saving 500 while booking. Smart traveler focus on protecting 10,000 later. That's a huge difference. Here is something I learned after talking to frequent travelers. The people who travel the most are not always the richest. They are simply the most intentional. They set aside a small travel fund every month. They watch flight prices, they plan ahead, and they prioritize experiences over possessions. Because at the end of the day, travel isn't about luxury. It's about stories. It's about standing somewhere completely new, trying food you have never tasted before, meeting people from different cultures, and realizing how big the world really is. Those experiences don't care about your budget. They only care that you showed up. So if you have been telling yourself, I'll travel internationally when I earn more, maybe it's time to change that mindset. Because your first international trip doesn't need to cost a fortune. It just needs a plan. Start saving, start researching, and most importantly, start believing that it's possible. Because trust me, the hardest part of traveling abroad isn't the money. It's taking the first step. Now, tell me in the comments, what's the first thing you would do if you landed in a new country tomorrow? And if this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, share it with your travel buddy, subscribe for more travel hacks, budget itineraries, and hidden destination, and smart ways to travel more while spending less. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and I'll see you in the next adventure.